In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second pop-up by hitting remove. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. In order to restore it, you need to pinch your device's display. Then click Widgets at the bottom in the middle. Look for Google app, and when you find it, click on Search Bar Widget. Then you can hold it to place it wherever you want to. Drag it to make it bigger. And if you're struggling with it, just like me, firstly hit Done at the top right corner, then hold it and drag it. When you're ready, let go. Now tap on your screen, and as you can see, my search bar was successfully adjusted and restored. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!